Want to give your videos a cool digital or cyber-inspired look? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a glitch effect in CapCut Mobile. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. For the step number 1, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap New Project and select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once you've chosen your clip, tap Add. Once your clip is on the timeline, the next step is to tap Effects from the bottom toolbar and select Video Effects. Browse through the available effects categories or search for glitch effect. Tap an effect to preview it and tap the check mark to apply it. After applying the effect, tap the glitch effect layer in the timeline. Drag its edges to make the effect shorter or longer. You can also adjust the settings by modifying the intensity to create either a subtle digital flicker or dramatic glitch transition. Now, for the preview, press the play button to check for your video. And that's how you create glitch effect in CapCut Mobile. Add a glitch? Spark your creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.